Look at those delicious pieces of meat. It's not just a culinary treat, but also an adventure through delicious tastes and aromas. Let them make your meal even more special. With sweet and fragrant meat, tuna offers a unique culinary experience, making each piece of meat watery and melt in the mouth. The high nutrition and unique flavor of tuna make it a favorite choice for many food lovers. In addition, tuna is also a source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, important for heart and brain health. The variety of tuna processing from sashimi to grilled, raised or cooked in soup all brings richness and appeal to the meal. Automatic saws for cutting frozen and fresh products, with or without bones, RA. Cutting frozen and fresh produce is faster and more efficient than ever, helping to optimize production processes and reduce waste. The versatility of this automatic saw allows it to process both bone-in and boneless products, from poultry and beef to salmon and tuna. This creates a diverse selection for food manufacturers and restaurants, helping them increase production efficiency and respond quickly to market needs. Look at the sharp blade cutting those pork ribs in half. It is a strong and flexible image of professionalism and sophistication in food art. Each cut of the blade is not only an emphasis on the precision and technique of the chef, but also a symbol of strength and sharpness in the cooking process. The tip of the blade moves through each part of the meat with smoothness and delicacy, creating thin, smooth and uniform slices of meat. Each slice of pork ribs is not only a dish, but also a work of art, technique and enthusiasm. The combination of the sophistication of the blade and the freshness of the pork ribs creates an unforgettable culinary experience. Have you enjoyed the taste of salmon? It's a wonderful culinary experience not to be missed. Salmon is not only a This farmer is transporting agricultural products using a cable car with a capacity of around 250 kilograms and a speed of 90 meters per minute.
Fully automatic tomato sauce spreader is an advanced equipment used to distribute tomato sauce evenly and precisely onto square or rectangular pizza. The machine uses a system of programmed nozzles to move back and forth across the surface of the pizza, ensuring that the entire surface is evenly covered with a thin, smooth layer of tomato sauce. The precision of the packaging system is a highlight, helping to ensure that each apple is packed to an accurate and uniform weight. It not only creates uniformity in the final product, but also helps enhance the brand's reputation in the market. Look, the robot arms are working skillfully, just like the hands of hard workers. Their flexibility and versatility make a significant difference in modern manufacturing processes. It seems like you've seen those bright red apples, and I can see why they attract you. The bright color of red apples not only makes them attractive, but also evokes images of fresh flavor and nutritional richness.